Get a big boost on your daily fiber and protein intake all before 10 a.m. A meal prepped smoothie bag can help you conquer your mornings and stick to a healthier lifestyle. Suzy Bunker is here to share the recipes for her favorite nutrient-dense breakfast. It's good to see you.
Oh, good to see you too.
Smoothies are like my mom life saver.
Right?
Do you know what I mean? Like if I feel like every other meal is lacking in whatever nutritional category, whatever box we're not checking, a smoothie can make up for it.
It's true, it's true. And I'm gonna show you a time saver. You are gonna love this because some mornings we don't have a lot of time for breakfast, right? So this is gonna like 30-second breakfast.
Okay, is there a formula you reach for?
Yes, so basically all you're doing is taking a protein source and some greens and some fruits. So those are kind of the basics, okay? So we're getting our fruits and veggies, like you said, get in the nutrients.
Yeah.
Always add some protein if it's gonna be the whole meal because we need to get that protein in the morning. The kids won't have that blood sugar spike with so many breakfasts that they eat. So a little bit of meal prep goes a long way. So let's just show you the basics here. So I take a little Ziploc bag. This is just a sandwich size, and I'm gonna just stick it over a cup. You can do this with the kids too. It's so fun. They can make their own.
You're saving us money. I don't have to buy the bag clips on Amazon. I don't have to buy the fancy cups.
Just a cup. Throw in a half a banana. I always do a half a banana. That's just kind of my thing.
Okay.
And then on this one, we're gonna throw in some mixed berries. So this is like a tropical fruit one. We can do. We're gonna have different recipes, but this one is a mixed berry, like a dark antioxidant blend. And then this one's just gonna be the banana, but we're gonna add some almond butter because we're gonna we're gonna do this with some chocolate. So you could do peanut butter or almond butter, but just gonna put that in there.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add a protein source. So you could do protein powders, you could do yogurt. So I'll maybe do yogurt in this one. And maybe take, I like doing protein powder because this sweetens it up. I love Just Ingredients because they use monk fruit and stevia, so it's nice and natural. So I'm just gonna add that lemon maybe to the tropical fruit, maybe the mountain berry.
You're like a mixologist.
Yes.
You're just here deciding.
This is what's fun is the kids can make their own. You know, we have some recipes we're gonna share with you, but you really can mix and match your own.
Okay.
And then the classic chocolate peanut butter, so that almond butter we put in there, or you could do peanut butter.
I was curious how the chocolate would come into play in a protein powder.
Yes, and the protein powder, you can also add cacao powder too.
I'm like, I don't see any chocolate chips on this counter, and they wouldn't blend well anyway, so powder it is.
You can also use hemp parts as like a natural protein, so that's a great source of protein as well.
To any bag.
Yes, so you can go with chia seeds, like anything you want to add to nutrient density, just go ahead and throw those in. And this is the convenience of it is instead of getting all these things out to make your smoothie, you get it out once, you make a bunch of them. I'd say make as many as you want, but you'll go through them fast. Okay. But once you've done that, then you add your greens. I love these power greens from Costco.
Me too.
You could just do spinach. Loading. I'm loading. So you know me, I always want a big handful.
So you seal the bag, you freeze the bag. How do you get it out of the bag?
And then you'll see how easy this is. Let's go over there. So you're just gonna seal those up and throw them in the freezer. So in the morning, all you have to do is put in 1 cup of liquid, and you could do milk, almond milk, you could do half juice, half water, do a little kefir for probiotics, whatever you want, just 1 cup. Yeah. And then all you're gonna do is take your frozen bag and you just put it in the blender. Everything comes out. See, this one even has Greek yogurt in there. Oh, nice. But even like the nut butters and stuff come right out. Okay. And then you just go ahead and start your blender. And for sake of the noise, we're not gonna start that,
but you do need
blend
a good
in 30
blender.
seconds. Yeah, I love
to take care of that frozen ice chunk. Yes.
Yeah.
All right, there is our simple kind of formula applied to all sorts of powder options, flavor options. It's all there, Suzy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, before we say goodbye, you have a boot camp where you help people learn how to eat more healthily.
Yeah, this is one of the things we do. I try to teach meal prepping and as much as we can to create healthy habits around getting more fruits and veggies in. It's 2 days, it's virtual and pre-recorded, so you can do it at any time.
Oh, nice. So, just push play on your own laptop
do
and
both of those classes and you're going to learn a lot of great healthy habits that you can implement.
You're a great teacher. You teach in a very light and you can do this sort of way.
Yes, you can do this. You can do this.
We'll link you over to her website from ours, ksltv.com. Great job, sister. Thank you.